So an MLU is where we count how many words she's saying. So previously we've just been writing them down here and there, but it'd be nice to start taking a list because soon she's going to start combining more and more words together. So it'd be nice to know when she's playing with things, what are the words that she's using all the time. You know how you come in and you say, oh, she's saying this, and I'm like, oh, wow. So it'd be nice to get a combined list. What normally happens by this age that they're 1, we expect them to be saying 1 word. By the age they're 2 words together, 3 words together pretty much. And we just want to make sure that that's developing at the same rate. Okay. So what we'll do is use a form like this to write down as she's playing what are the utterances and things that she's using. Because even by only going back and looking at the video, I can see that she's actually saying things that we miss all the time. Yeah. So if you can set up an activity, like when Oliver's playing with her, for example, and you can write down or just have it near you all the time, near the fridge, and just go, oh, that's what she's saying that, she's saying daddy, she's saying... And at this stage, it'll probably just be 1 word, and it won't be perfect. So owl will be cow. Yeah. Daddy's pretty good.
Well, before when she got her tea set, and it's in a big teapot, she actually poured the teapot and she went, oh...
Beautiful, beautiful, exactly. So, and as she's playing more and more, you know, when we were playing with the car before, she was going boom, 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 stop. So even that's combining 2 words together, and the roll and the catch, roll, catch, like she's starting to use phrases. So what we want to do is be able to play with things, because even she's making sounds now that we're not taking any notice of, but really start listening to what she's doing. So that's what I do in sessions, but it would be great for you guys to be able to do that sort of thing at home as well.
And actually bring it in.
That's useful. Yeah. So as she's playing with that, I'll just jot down some things as you're going. So you can interact with her and talk about things as you normally would.
Amelia, do you want Daddy to open the glue?
Yeah.
Yeah?
Twist.
Twist it. Let's twist the glue. Twist, twist, twist. Would you like a turn?
Yeah.
There you are. You're going to twist.
So did you see then how she said twist straight after you, but then on her own she said twist. So I only count the spontaneous one, so not anything that
she does say it spontaneously.
Perfect. Good. So can you see with MLU, you can see I was going, twist. She's saying bar. She calls things out and says bar a lot, so it'd be great if we can mould that into something. Bar. And that's just a few of them, and probably...
and should I write why she said it?
Yeah, if it's next to it. So, like, you know, if you think she's trying to say help me or if she's holding it out, that'd be really good so that we know how then to do it. And that'll sort of set our goals to know these are the words that she's using, and it'd be good to teach her these ones because she's really nailed all of the early words and all the names of things. But if we can start getting some verbs, and she's getting some adjectives now, like dirty. Which is lovely.